Hello, if whenever you start playing the music on Spotify, you see this panel on the right side, which is called Now Playing View, and you want to get rid of it, you want to make sure that it never shows up anymore, all you have to do is go to your profile settings, and you can do this by clicking on this icon over here. It can be over here or on the far right side, depending if you have this panel or not, and then go to settings. Then scroll a little bit to find this display section over here, and you should also find this option called show the now playing panel on click of play. And you want to uncheck it, make sure the slider is not green. After that you can close the panel on the right side, and then whenever you start listening to music, then you should not be bothered with this panel anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.